Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
All right! I'm gonna make you
Then you want to ride down the slide?
Okay! Come on, let's go!
Roy, take care of this with Amber. Okay.
Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo. Just let me go get my...
Don't do this! Huh?
We had some good times together. I'm gonna miss that the most, I think.
Queen!
Vader! I'm in no hurry! You need to go so fast!
McQueen back! McQueen! Ciao bella.
About to feel the wrath of the Lower Belleville County Unified School District.
This is the road and these are the hands. From Mozambique to those Memphis nights. Harbor past the bend.
No, no, no. You don't know what you want. Luigi know what you want.
I don't think
I didn't come all this way to see you quit.
A drive. Don't you big city race cars ever just take a drive?
No.
Thanks for the help, Corporal.
Anything for one of Pop's mates.
Nobody.
There's a lot of love out there, you know, man. Don't embarrass me, Fillmore.
Son, that was some real racing out there. How'd you like to become the new face of Dynaco?
Nice to meet you too.
Ready, buddy?
Aquí recto. Ya hoy suficiente y fuera. You think I quit?
Oh no.
You actually care about that race car. A pity you didn't warn him in time.
Bonita música.
Independent panel of scientists has determined that all in all is completely safe, okay? Safe. There it is.
Has a chance.
Just go do your job.
Yes, sir.
Take out that spoiler and those race.
La grúa dijo recto, ¿cierto?
Correcto.
Recto.
I've been kind of lonely. Nobody to hang out with. I mean, except the Dynaco folks. Oh, and the...
Parts dealer in Paris, a treacherous lowlife, but he's the only car in the world who can tell us whose engine this is.
McQueen and Sally, part beneath the tape. K-I-S-S.
Valuable dent? Oh, she's as crazy as Mater.
those two are perfect for each other.
Season points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season.
Thank you. No, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hey.
Cantare con me, duda, duda, macchine, contate rotine, oh da duda.